Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen miso. First, gather your ingredients like miso paste, dashi, and fresh noodles. You'll want to have everything prepped and ready to go before you start cooking. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process, leading to a delicious bowl of homemade ramen. We'll cover the broth, toppings, and assembly step by step, making it easy for you to create this comforting dish at home. Now, let's build that incredible miso broth. Begin by gently sautéing finely minced garlic and ginger in a touch of oil until fragrant. This step is crucial for developing a deep flavor base. Next, whisk in your chosen miso paste with dashi or a good quality chicken broth. Allow it to simmer gently for about 10 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors meld together beautifully. Remember, don't boil the miso. While your broth simmers, it's time to prepare your noodles and toppings. Cook your ramen noodles in a separate pot of boiling water according to package directions, ensuring they are perfectly al dente. Drain them well. Next, get your favorite toppings ready. Thinly sliced chashu pork, corn, and green onions are classic choices. Don't forget to prepare a perfectly soft-boiled egg for that rich, creamy yolk. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Place the cooked noodles into a large, deep bowl. Carefully ladle the hot, flavorful miso broth over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged. Then, artfully arrange all your prepared toppings on top. This is where your ramen truly comes to life, offering a feast for both the eyes and the palate. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to this product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.